this razor.
Itu mana nih? Aku hadas lang baju UTBK.
Just started.
Itu bentar lagi. Dia mau sama jalan tuh sih. Baca SNBT by Ilman itu.
I think you need to review a lot of things. Oh no.
Sleepy set. Heda, mantap.
Materi apa? Saya kayaknya persamaan kuadrat aja deh. Kita pakai chat GPT. Saya sudah bikin GPT untuk SNBT Math Problem Creator.
Anjay.
Ilman.
Nama Islam.
Anjay. Review materi apa saja yang perlu dikuasai untuk bisa mengerjakan soal SUTBK tentang persamaan kuadrat. Give me a review. Okay. Bentuk umum persamaan kuadrat. Oke. Akar-akar persamaan kuadrat. Faktorisasi melengkapkan kuadrat. Rumus kuadrat. Diskriminan. Oke, let's go with this thing. Kamu familiar nggak? Kemarin. Tapi ingat tak?
What is?
Masih ingat tak?
X square plus bx plus c equals 0. Tes aku mana sih? What did I try to hold this?
Oke, berikan soal latihan untuk mereview materi nomor 1. Bagus. Soal 1. Oke. Kamu bisa nggak ini? Hah?
What am I looking for? What am I looking for?
Kamu bisa memfaktorkan kan?
I don't know names for things, I swear.
So, memfaktorkan T, it means that you can rewrite that expression on the left as factor. It means it's in the factor form, something like x minus a, x minus b. Okay, why do we want to make it like this? Because if we can write like this is a product, a multiplication of two numbers. It's one package. So the only thing that this product can be 0 if this guy is 0 or that guy is 0.
Yeah.
Right? So if this guy is 0, then x must be equal to a.
Yes.
If this guy is equal to 0, then x equal to b.
Yes.
So the solution to this would be a or b.
This is the solution to what?
To this equation.
Solution as in?
Solution meaning that what value of x that make this statement is true. Just can be a or
B.
can be b.
I see.
Right. So now, like, just you do like some experiment aja. So can you just like use your logic only without any knowledge? What is a and b to make this equal to that? You can just play around, like you can like expand it, like compare it, or guess it. Pak Iman tidak kenal ya, beliau kan Instagram seleb, pernah ketemu pas bareng ke Jatinangor barengan, tapi tidak saling menegur. tadinya mau ditegur pas pulang, tapi ternyata pulangnya tidak bareng. Info KBF, ya KBF besok gimana? Anda FTTM atau FITB?
What are you doing again? Oh.
So.
And that, I mean, this is, I think, might complicate more, but we'll see.
Yeah, it's okay. Just do like that. Good. Okay, at this stage, can you guess
What?
the A and B? So the A and B need to satisfy what according to your writing? So you compare, right? The two must be the same. When the two are equal.
When what? Each side?
When this guy is exactly this guy.
Well, A minus B has to be 5.
This
And
is
A-
to be plus, man.
What? On the middle?
This is plus, not minus, because you distribute this minus thingy, right?
Yeah.
So what? A plus B is equal to
A
B.
plus B has to be equal to 5, and A times B has to equal to 6.
Then you can guess.
2 and 3.
So that's the two guys are 2 and 3.
In what order, though?
Doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter. Okay.
So basically, whenever you see something like this again, if you do like this, you need two numbers so that when you add the two, it's gonna be this coefficient. But usually we do it like instead of minus A minus B, we do like this. Right? So if we expand, it's gonna be like this. Just like you do. Right? So if we do this now, if we do this one, so we are looking for what is A and B, so that A and plus B is equal to negative 5, and A times B is equal to 6.
Yeah. It has to be negative 3 and negative 2 then.
No. Oh yes, that's right.
Yeah.
Negative 3 and negative 2. Okay. So we replace that plus A and plus B with negative 3 and negative 2. It's going to be. So you can conclude that x is equal to 3 or x equal to 2.
That's factorizing.
So let's try some other things. Buat soal faktorisasi yang lain. Yeah, go.
Tentukan akarnya is what? What is the tentukan akar these guys?
Yeah, exactly the thing.
Oh.
Akar is the thing that make it equal to 0.
So this guy.
The x.
Such
that
whatever the x is, so these guys, pretty much.
So you have to practice there to remember.
Remove that, and that becomes 7, and it's not, 12. Yeah, okay.
So what are those?
Something plus something becomes negative, what becomes 12.
Di Bultas Riba belum saya mah sih. Biar usually you start with the product because it's limited, right? To make it 12, and we expect it to be integers. Then you can just like find out what are possibilities to make it 12. Like is 2 and 6 works?
2, 6, and 3, 4. That's it.
But you need the number to be negative, right?
Yeah, so that's negative.
Then at least one of them negative.
Yeah.
Cannot be one of them, because if one of them is negative, then the product is negative. Right?
Oh, because you multiplied, yeah.
So and both of them need to be negative. Okay. So that's the akar.
Oh.
And you can check for quick, like to make sure that it is really akar. Like negative 3 squared is 9. 9 plus 12, 21.
21 minus 7 times 3, I guess. 7 times negative 3. Wait, what?
So because when you replace this a and b with negative 3 and negative 4, the solution is not this number itself, right? But the guy that make this equal to 0.
What?
Remember, the product of this is equal to 0 when this guy is 0 or that guy is 0. When is exactly this guy is equal to 0?
Well, the one is not.
When x is equal to 3.
So is it?
So
it has to be 1.
The akar will be 3 or 4.
And you just put them in first to see. It's actually for both of them to work.
Masih ada setidaknya besok kuliah terakhir. Menurut satu versi, menurut versi lain minggu depan hari Senin.
My 7x would be plus 21, so that's not how that works. Yeah, it's 42.
You do which one?
No, if you put negative 3, you get 9, 21, 9 plus 12, 21, 21.
Plus 12.
Yeah, 9 plus 12, 21. Then
Plus, it could have been not 0.
Yeah.
Plus.
Because 21, it becomes 21 plus 21, which is 42. So then you put them as negative 4. If you try negative 4, that would you get 16.
And also you can just check it's positive with negative 4.
Right.
If you plug in negative 4 to each of these, it's going to be positive, so it cannot be 0.
So now the other work?
So it should be 4 instead of negative 4.
Oh, yeah, it's x, isn't it?
3 or 4.
Oh, yeah, it's x, isn't it? Okay. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. Either work, right? Same concept.
Hello, Windows fan.
Is it the same thing you gave me before? It's a guy from earlier. It's 5x plus 6.
Huh?
It's the same as from here.
Not different.
Well,
The
technically.
sign different.
Well, yeah, technically. It's not minus, it's plus. Or it just makes it 2 and 3.
So and then the akar berarti berapa?
What, then it's like...
So
That means x equals minus 2 or minus 3.
yeah. Okay. But this one. Now this one I just you can see that each term has x on it, right? Just factor out.
Factor out by dividing?
Yeah, yes. The reverse of distributive property. Like that.
Oh.
So and you think of this as x minus 0.
Yeah, but that is squared.
Yeah, because
Oh, yeah, it's 2x still. Okay, huh.
So then this guy is 0 or that guy is 0.
So you
Which means x is equal to 0 or x equal to.
So it's either the guy in the parentheses is 0 or this himself is 0.
Yeah.
Well, it's either x or 2x minus 8. Either way, that's...
When 2x is equal to 8?
Huh?
For which x? For each
4.
x.
This guy 0 makes no sense, yeah, okay. So it has to be the inside one because that doesn't work. Both. Yang membimbang bisa Bermatematika SNBT 2025 dijamin lolos 9,9% di kota Makassar. Oh, good for you Makassar, I guess.
Good.
Smart Makassar people. Yeah.
Dijamin lolos. Good for you. What's this? Oh, okay. Then I can. Remember this one? How about this one? This one is the reverse of like that a plus b, a minus b thingy, right? That's the difference of 2 squared. So basically, whenever you see something like a squared minus b squared, you need to kick in something in your mind that it should be factored into a plus b times a minus b. Like that. Even though it is not explicitly written as 3 squared, but it is squared.
Yes.
Okay, so what are the solution?
What is it turning into?
The akar. So it's gonna be what?
So it's be turning into this guy, pretty much?
No.
And then it's just x plus 3, x minus 3, right? Yeah.
And?
What?
Oh, ini Ilman, it was your buddy long time ago that playing game. Watch us playing game. With this tira.
Familiar-ish?
Like playing Sudoku that time in the grass thingy. Iya nih Ilman nih, gak saya perhatiin gak belajar 3 tahun.
Hey, enak aja. Mengulas ulang.
Mengulas ulang.
Lagian IPS. This game is matematika kan.
Ya nanti yang apa? Yang koefisien depannya bukan 1 kita sudah ini rada mahir. Where are we now? Oh, okay, if you skip this one, it's okay. What this one? This is it.
What? Oh. It's not ABC.
Huh? No, this is the factor.
Oh. Okay, sure.
Usually people use ABC if you cannot factor, like the angka is ugly.
This is x.
Start with ABC.
This is x minus 5, x minus 5.
Huh? What?
They're both just minus 5.
So berarti akarnya apa?
What? It's x minus 5, x minus 5?
That one is the factor. So you need to know the terminology. The x minus 5 and x minus 5 are the factors.
The akar is the x itself.
Is the x itself.
So x is 5.
Yeah,
Great.
okay. Which one?
Same thing again?
Huh? No.
No, it's 2x. Oh, so you take it out first, don't you? Or no? It depends. What, so just open it? What, so just take it out?
RMM kayaknya belum siap kita. Kalau RMM saya nggak minta dulu. Kayaknya kurang persiapan kitanya. Belum berani lah.
So you take it out. I'm assuming you take it out or no? and I has negative
1.
Yeah. Do you take it out first or no?
Now you do the tadi yang A plus B thingy.
Oh.
This thing.
This guy?
You need 2 numbers so that the sum is what, and the product is what number?
The sum is 2x, and
the sum is 2.
The sum is
2x.
The sum is 2. Sum is 2. Oh, okay, yeah, I see. Sum is 2, and the thing is negative 50. That's weird. You're 2 and you're negative 50. Huzzah. That's multiplied, isn't it? That means negative 5 and 3? No, it's the other way around. It's negative 3 and 5. Yes. Yeah, so
let's say the instruction is like this. Tentukan, faktorkan. Jadi you write in this way. Jadi apa? Kau tuliskan in that way.
Right there? That's right.
Equal 0. Jadi akar-akarnya apa? Okay. Thanks.
Just 2 and 9 can be 2 and 3. Well, that's additioning, right? Let me change the negative 4 and 12. Wow, probably 6 and 2.
4 and negative 12. See,
what's negative 12? Oh, okay. That means only one of them is negative, yes. Yeah, it's negative 6 and 2. That's all. So then we get x minus 6, x plus 2. Yeah. Equals 0, x equals 6, or x equals to negative 2. Okay.
Right. Okay, this, so
what, 2x squared?
I want to tell you it has a it's different because this is 2, right?
Yeah.
So I don't know, just figure out yourself. We're trying to just use your common sense. Whatever way you try to do it.
So we have 2x squared minus 11x plus 5 equals 0. So number 6 dot 2x squared minus 11x plus 5. Because you usually do it like very manually if you want to.
Yeah, whatever.
Okay then.
So we have 2x squared minus 11x plus 5 equal to 0.
I mean, it has to have 5.
So this guy has 2, right? If you want to make it like before, then you cannot expect it to be something like this. But perhaps something like that.
Okay.
So just try to multiply out and see what thing that needs to be true in order this equal to that.
Multiply out as in?
It's like what you did today. I said this is x plus a. You multiply out everything and then what you put the 2.
Something was it earlier.
Uh-huh.
Wherever the hell it is. Until it's defined it again. What, no, really just change it A and B?
So it's gonna be the same as that one, right?
Same as what, this guy itself or this?
Because this is 2x squared, right? It's gonna be 2x squared.
So squared.
This times that.
Mm-hmm.
So it's gonna be matched with this guy. And then the next one is the 2a plus b x.
Yeah, x and then plus 2ab.
So definitely this cannot be an integer, the a and b this time.
What's an integer even?
Bilangan bulat.
Oh.
Karena kan 2 kali
Ambil yang
apa
mana
yang jadi 5 kan nggak mungkin.
Yeah.
So this is then maybe you cannot just using guess and check because
No,
the idea is different because if you need to use fraction then there are not very limited option, too many options. Okay, so then rather doing that we can, for example, so here is the idea.
Okay.
So the idea is force it to make it similar to the previous form. Okay. So previous form meaning that this guy need to be equal to 1, right? So the option is you divide by 2, but again you need to guess. It is still the same way, but maybe it's not very nice looking at that number. Okay, so instead I'm going to multiply with 2.
Why?
Okay, let's see.
Okay.
So this is gonna be
4.
2 squared. Let's keep it like that.
Oh, okay.
And then this guy is 11 times 2x. And this is 10. Okay. Now we suppose that we call this 2x as y. Okay. So then this guy is just y squared.
Yes.
Right. So now y squared minus 11y plus 10 equal to 0. Now we are in this form of guy.
Okay, that was interesting.
Okay, so just try to solve that guy.
It's a negative 11 and 10.
Negative 11 and
10 plus 10.
Huh?
What?
You need the product to be 10, negative 1 and negative 10. What do you mean?
No, I mean
the
with itself. Yeah, which would be the negative 1, negative 10. Yeah, because you multiply that by 1, negative 10.
So it's gonna the factors and what?
Y then?
Y minus or plus. What? Minus or plus?
Plus.
Huh?
No, what? Minus 1, right?
Minus
Yeah.
1.
Minus 1 minus 10.
So the y is equal to 1
And
or the 10n. Or because or meaning that you just need to satisfy one of them to make this equal to 0.
Yes. Or equal to 10.
Okay. But what we want to know is not y, x. So we need to return back the y into x.
Okay then. 2x equals 1 or 2x equals 10.
So x equal to 1 half or
x equal to 5.
So I forgot that we need to also to multiply this guy with 2, right? But it's still equal to 0.
Okay.
So let's try that one, the big one.
Apaan? B.
There is some.
So 6. What? 6?
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
So we have 6x plus x
6x squared
plus x minus 12e. What, you open it first?
Huh? You want to make this 6 kind disappear, but you look here. What's happening?
Turn it into a factor.
We multiply with something to make this into something squared.
No, I multiply by 6.
Oh.
Okay, then you have 6 squared, x squared plus what? 6x minus 12, 72. Okay.
So you need to do a split that's equal to 0.
Minus 0. Wow.
Yeah, this 0. Now, misal.
What then? 6x itself.
Equal to some new
Yeah, sure. Wow. Then you have y squared plus just y minus 72, which is just 1, right? Yeah, sure.
Equal to 0.
Equal to 0.
Okay.
What? So you multiply them, they become negative 72, and you add them, they become 1. 6 and 7 probably. No,
The product that makes 72. What are those numbers?
Ow! Give me a second. My thighs. That 6 and 12. That makes no sense. 72 is a strange number. 6 and 12, but no, because they.
What else?
Ya, kan mereka kalau dikurangin jadi dikalikan kan jadi
we need to look at the factor of 6 and 12 and then try to play around, like switching some factors to
3 and 24. Still no.
Well, really close to each other.
Really close to each other, yes. So 6 and 12.
You need to increase the 6 then.
Yes, but also not overly decrease the 12. 18 and 4, that's still worse. 9 and 8, yeah, okay, there you go. There's your answer. I took too long to think for that. It means the 9 is the 9 is positive, 8 is a negative, so it's plus 9 and negative 8.
That's the factor.
That's the factor, yes.
Why it was.
So y plus 9, y minus 8 equals 0. Yeah, y is either negative 9 or y is plus 8. Whatever, I don't need to plus, but no. Well. That means the x is 6x. Okay, then it's just need a negative 9 times 6, which would be 54.
No, just write discipline 6x. Rewrite the y into 6x.
Fine, y equals 6x.
And just replace here. Become 6x equal to 9.
6x equals 9.
Or 6x equal to 8.
Or 6x equals to 8.
So what is x then?
Either freaking negative 9 over 6. You can probably divide that again.
Yes.
Yeah, or
simplify.
Divide both by 2. 4 over 3. Yeah. What?
Okay.
I don't like fractions.
Is that your friend?
Oh.
Marco Sahin.
I don't think so.
Oh, here is another way. Okay, so let's do the one that you just did. So what was that? 6x squared. plus x minus 12. Okay, so here is the algorithm. It's still the same. So, but before, when the coefficient of this guy is 1, you just look at this guy, right? Like, you want two numbers so that
so
you multiply is equal to this guy. But the general version is you multiply this number to that number. So you have negative 72. Okay. So now you want two numbers that if you multiply you get negative 72, and when you add you still want to be the coefficient of x, which is 1. Oh. Okay, so that is exactly the number that you found, right? So which was what?
Negative 8 and 9.
Okay, so 9 and negative 8. Okay, so now the thing is we replace this x into 9x minus 8x. Okay, so x squared. So once you found what are these two numbers, okay, we use that information to rewrite this x as 9x
minus 8x minus 12 equals 0.
Okay. Then after that, you group together the first two and then the last two. Okay. So for the first group, factor as much as we can. So like from this x squared, we can factor x. Or from that x, we can also factor x. What can we factor from 6 and 9? 3. So we can factor 3x then.
3x.
Okay, so what is inside then?
X.
3x times what equal to 6x squared?
2x.
2x. Okay.
Plus 2. Plus 3.
3. Okay. Do the same with this guy.
So that's negative.
So from negative 8, from 8 and 12, what
4.
we can factor? Okay, so this negative 4.
4.
Here what is the inside?
2x and 3.
2x plus 3.
X plus 3, yeah.
See, magically this guy will appear twice.
Oh.
Which means you can factor again. So 2x plus 3. So what is it here in there?
3x minus 4. Wow.
Okay.
Okay.
So this guy need to be equal to 0.
Or
2x plus 3 equal to 0.
Or 3x minus 4.
3x minus 4 equal to 0. So that's, let's skip one step.
Isn't it? Yes, it's another way to do it, I assume?
Yeah, so which one do you prefer? This one is just like you use the same algorithm but with extra step that you need to somehow rewrite that guy and regrouping.
So you just multiply the first coefficient with the last number.
Yeah.
And then you get that, and the two numbers need to multiply from that. But they also need to become 1, or whatever the hell the coefficient is on the B slot. B.
Okay, try both of ways for this guy. Maybe you just try the first one.
What? So why is nothing though?
Huh? This?
Oh, the B?
Yeah.
So just write down first x squared plus 3.
Anda apa FTTM apa?
Oh, it's 0.
FITB. Kalau FTTM bahannya semuanya. Kalau FITB sampai aplikasi integral.
So basically to multiply them whatever, I don't care, the boxes are balls anyway. And by adding them you need to get what, 3? It's 5 and 2.
Okay.
And what do you do this? Oh.
So you replace that one.
Replace the guy with Okay, so you have your 2x squared plus 5x minus 3x minus
2.
what? Oh yeah, minus 2x minus 5 equals 0. Very beep beep boop beep ba beep. You can't do much with that, can you?
Can we just factor last one?
Just the x,
Okay.
really. So it's just x, 2x plus 5. And that's already kind of is as it is.
But
Sure.
you want to make this guy appear again, so what do you need to factor?
1?
Negative 1.
Oh, negative 1. Yes, it becomes positive, yeah. So,
Negative. Okay.
I kind of want to do that again, but well.
No, it's just right. You don't need to factor like that.
See, the negative 1 itself is kind of...
No, it makes sense actually. Because it's subtraction, it's right.
Oh.
So now,
Aren't you multiplying them though? No, you're subtracting them because that's
Yeah.
you're not, okay. So, 2x plus 5, and then, what the hell did you do with it again? Let's see.
you have the same factor. What factor?
What, 2x
There are
plus 5?
two terms.
Oh, so either x to x plus 5, what?
So this
Same
is the
thing.
same term. You need to factor out the 2x plus 5.
So it's just, what, negative 1x?
No. So 2x plus 5 times 1. Right? Because whenever you see the guy that appears on the terms, then you can take out and then you can ask what should we put here to get this guy. Yeah. Okay. So x is
I mean, that's kind of what I was going to write in the first place anyway, but okay.
no. Okay.
So it's either 2x plus 5 equals 0, or x minus 1 equals 0.
Mhm.
This is the what? The factor. Oh, really? The factor is x, isn't it?
So x is what?
Well, if you want to actually put it in.
And you solve this. 2x plus 5 equal to 0. Move that one, divide by 2.
I'm a lazy bastard, I still said. Oh, no, it's more of a hassle. I don't care. Let's just cover x entirely. So, well, it's just x equals to freaking 1. It's easier.
From this one,
No, x is freaking 2.5. Yeah, fine.
Okay.
What? 3 over 4?
Negative.
Negative?
Kamu nggak tahu it's the slow I move that guy.
Oh, it's negative 5. Fine, this is huzzah.
Okay.
So, wait.
Well, let's stick with this one. I think you won't forget this one, this algorithm, because kind of similar but with extra steps.
I should do it to the rest of Aussie.
Oh, okay, this one they're different. Right.
What?
So like the opposite, like. So this thing is just
The factor.
you already know the tools. This is just the common sense.
I do not know
So-
the ability though.
So before you have something like this and then you factor it, but now you are given one of the factor.
One of them.
One of them.
Well, x minus 4 equals 0, I assume.
No, this x minus 4 is one of them, meaning
Oh.
that it's gonna be x minus 4 times something.
Equals 0.
Is equal to this guy.
Oh. Well, equals 0, sure. Same thing. Let's just put it in a box first. Ambiguous. Whatever, let's put 0 down over here. Ow.
Hello, Reinhard. Selamat malam.
It's how do you pull it out? I mean, so you can still do the same thing here.
Okay, yeah,
So if you multiply them, they become 20. If you add them, they become B, whatever that is.
So, and where this information can be used?
In the 20.
So when you have something like this, or okay, then you have the two factors, right?
Yes.
Which are what?
Well, here there is
X plus 5 and x minus 2.
Okay.
Right. So, but this one is already given one of them. So the thing in the box, one of them is equal to what?
Oh, -4.
-4 or 4? -4. Okay.
-4, right? Yeah. Okay. So I think the box -4, and whatever you multiply it with 20, which would be -5.
I'll get back to you to make
sense of it. Sure.
Yeah.
Okay. What am I looking for again? Oh, B. And factorkan, so find X. I find the X's, I guess. What means X equals 4 or X equals 9?
I don't know, just give me the answer. The B.
B is -9. Yeah. Right? Am I not giving that negative? And the X is either 4 or 9. That's another two.
Yeah, okay. I don't know. Okay. So, you get the hang of this? Kind of?
Sure then. I mean, the sort of thing that you gotta do at least one more time to actually really get it.
It's not small. Buatkan yang lain. Yang koefisien X-nya, X kuadratnya bukan 1. Choose which one you're interested in.
Oh, yeah. Well, I might as well doing it over
With more paper, I don't like this on the crayon paper like this.
I have more paper.
Kayaknya nggak ada sesi UTBK ngajarin publik. Ya,
Good.
yang gini aja paling barengan.
Haha, in semi-English Indonesian. Have fun translating it.
So which one do you choose?
I don't know what.
Would be okay. Mana?
I'll take 3A. I don't know why.
Okay, cool.
Wow. And it's a hassle. You get your 36, -36. And yeah, you get -5, yeah, okay. So multiply -36 and 5, it's -36, so it's a negative number and a positive number. Six, but it doesn't make any sense. 2, 3, and 12. It doesn't make any sense. Is there any number for that? Okay.
Mau masuk psikologi entah apa.
Pagi. You add them to become B, you multiply them to become the last guy. How the hell did that happen? Oh, what am I thinking about too much? There comes negative 9. Silly. How the hell do you get negative 5? How the heck do you get negative 5?
You start with the product first. 36, it's only limited options if you want to have integer. Just start from the smaller one, like 136 to 18, 3, 1.
Oh yeah, 136, 18. That's no, so it doesn't help. 312, still no. Probably 4 then. 4 and oh, what the hell am I doing again?
Thank you, Yazid.
Oh, okay, that explains it.
Well,
It's negative 36, right?
Huh?
Yeah, okay, just making sure. It's 49, that means it's negative 9 times 4.
Okay.
And factor gaan, right? That is, wait, which one is it? That's over here.
Yeah.
That means it's
Well, like that, this is not, the coefficient is not 1.
What? Oh, huh? Which coefficient?
This, remember.
The whole
You
thing?
need to replace this guy with this guy thingy.
Oh, the thing first. And you find the Y, man.
Not the y, using this one. When you have these two numbers, you replace the middle term with.
You know, eventually you find you find the okay, wait. Oh no, there's no Y there. It's that one.
Come on, can we just doing that?
Hey there. What were you with the saw in the first place? I didn't write you down even. Damn. Yeah. Where are you in the saw? Which one? It's 5, right? Yeah.
Come on, the focus.
So.
Ilman nggak tertarik match, Ilman?
Not really.
Not really.
Damn it.
Okay.
It's just I don't know if I'm gonna find good places to write. The negative's still negative. It's still in there, yeah.
There's something wrong. You didn't put the something not right. Check. What are the two numbers?
Well, it's 4 and negative 9.
Did you write it
It's gonna have to plus
correctly?
them.
Okay, so then you have to fix something. Okay. That one is okay?
Him?
Uh-huh.
It has to be the same thing, so I guess not.
Okay. So now simplify it.
That's 3x plus 2. 3x minus 3. No.
Okay.
Oh, this is doing that.
You sure?
I don't think that's how that works.
You just plug in there.
Oh, it's divided, yeah.
No.
One more.
But this one is a little different.
Ah, it's one of those guys again.
Thinking.
Ooh. So, gas guys, okay. So you add them, you multiply them to become K, and you add them to become
Oh, I see. I haven't learned this one.
Let's see what we make out of it first.
Okay. This is the rumus ABC thing.
Oh yeah, I see.
Yeah, it's not being covered yet. So let's practice this one with Tarita. Whatever you have to.
5x squared minus let's try it down first so we don't forget. Stoner.
Sekarang belajar bisa pakai ChatGPT, minta soal aja. Good. Ini pakai GPT custom namanya SNBT Creator, SNBT Math Problem Creator. Ilman tadi sudah mengerjakan yang 6x kuadrat kurang 5x sama 6x.
Because I have made a mistake again.
Yeah, just figure out yourself.
Wow, I mean,
It's the
I can easily fix it. I'm just curious how I did that in the first place. Why did I do that? So I don't do it again.
Okay.
You can just give me a plus instead of a minus. I actually made someone a plus instead of a minus. And see, this guy, that guy, I'm not exactly sure why or how I did
I
it.
think there's something wrong there. I don't do something.
Yeah, why though? How did that happen? Or they misguide it? Or is it? 5x squared minus. Which one was I even doing? 13x? 13x, right? Yeah. Minus 13x. What is it?
Negative 3 times what? Equal to plus 6.
It's negative 3, isn't it? Okay. Yeah. See? I know, I sometimes miss the very simple details, which is bonky.
Dibagi sih biasanya kalau dulu apa kayak sudah ditentukan oleh panitianya harus bikin soal tentang topik apa gitu, terus ya bikin di rumah masing-masing, terus nanti dicekin sama author yang lain ininya apa sudah sesuai dengan tingkat kesulitan. Jadi yang dimintanya tingkat kesulitannya apa, materinya tentang apa gitu. Terus ada bikin bikin berapa versi. Nah itu harus cukup setara, kemudian topiknya sesuai, tingkat kesulitannya sesuai.
Yeah, x equals 2, x equals 2, but for the factor.
Okay. Oh.
Another one more minute. Fans berat stone.
That's weird.
Fans berat. Big fan, no lie. Of rocky stony people. What? So you got your
I think I do. I think it should be. There's some.
10. Oh no, 70.
Actually, I make the content of this, but I forgot there is one more way to do it. Because I never use it. So hold on. How again? Gimana sih? Oh, okay. Jadi waktu itu let me try to remember. Bagaimana cara memfaktorkan ini tanpa harus membuat kita menuliskan si misalkan ini kan 6 kali min 6 kan min 36 nih. Just do your thing. I'm just doing monologue. So we are looking for two numbers, so that kita cari dua bilangan yang hasil perkaliannya negatif 36 dan hasil penjumlahannya adalah negatif 5. Okay. Kalau kita nyoba satu-satu, ya 9 sama min 9 sama 4 ya, min 9 sama 4. Nah, algoritma yang standarnya itu adalah kita tuliskan si min 5 nya ini sebagai min 9x tambah 4x. Ini kenapa ini jelek banget pennya. Kemudian baru difaktorkan, di grouping gitu. Ini jadi 3x 2x min 3 dan plus 2x min 3 sama dengan 0. Jadi 3x plus 2x min 3. Nah, waktu itu pertanyaan saya adalah gimana caranya agar kita bisa bypass yang ini dan langsung dapat yang ini aja. Itu gimana mikirnya. I think I need to watch my own video.
Stone. Find the mistake.
Dang it. I forgot.
Estonia.
Kepodomoro.
I'm in right now.
Is your friend?
Nggak tahu. Tapi trendingnya mah everyone is kawan, kayak SNBT dulu tuh. Segalanya kawan. Ayah pun menonton ulang videonya.
Ini aku lupa what was in my mind at the time.
Find the mistake.
Did?
What? Already? Yeah, sure. Yeah. Alright.
Sure is that 6x 7x squared minus 14 minus 19. Oh, that's right. That's
Yeah,
that.
pug.
Okay. Okay, No. If you just randomly doing like this, for example. Okay, this is
find the mistake.
This
What?
it's as if you can solve it, but maybe not.
Yes.
Okay, so 10, right?
Another 3. 1, 2 and 5. 2 and negative 5.
21 plus 10.
Ooh. Yeah, that's not how that works then.
Yeah. Then in the situation where you need that rumus ABC.
Oh, sama cek, no, kamari, tapi
Oh, okay.
tidak ingat penggunanya.
Oh, okay. So rumus ABC is basically it's from this what we call it melengkapkan kuadrat.
Dun, 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 dun,
Why is
dun.
like this? Oh, this one is not attaching to anything.
Scratchy. Unreadable.
Ini misalkan x
X.
kuadrat tambah
2x. No. Pen is bad.
So this one will not work, right? Using that way.
Yeah.
You need the product to be 5, but the sum to be 2.
Negative 2. That's a plus, that's a plus.
Oh, maybe not this one. I need to be. Yes.
Bapak mencari soal.
No, like this, for example.
Okay.
So
Estonia.
this idea is like based on the fact that if you have the very simple equation like x squared equals to, let's say, 3, right?
Oh,
You know the x, right? Which is what?
Which is a root of 3. Okay, you
Plus
get.
or minus
Yeah.
square root of 3. Okay. So the idea is, okay, maybe we cannot always make this into x squared equal to 3, but it is possible if we want to make it into something like this, right? So for example, if we end up as, for example, something like this, so how to find the x? Just call this as some new guy. So what is going to be y squared is equal to 3. Then the y is plus minus square root of 3. And then return what was the y originally.
X plus 1.
X plus 1.
Plus minus.
And we need to isolate the x. So we need to kick out this 1 to the other side.
X equals plus minus. Okay, sure.
Okay, so something like that. So basically, if we manage to rewrite the equation so that it is in this form, then we are good.
Okay.
Okay. And by the power of common sense, we can just do it to this guy, for example. Okay, let's see. You want the other side to be a number.
Equals 5. Yay.
Okay. And we want to make this guy into something like this. Okay. So the question is, what is A and B? To make this is
Possible.
to make the two are actually the same equation. Okay. But if we expand this, what do we get? If we just multiply out everything.
You get x squared
plus
plus ax.
2ax.
Oh, 2ax plus a squared
Squared.
equals b.
Okay. But if so, this guy have to be equal to this guy, right? Because there's no other x in this guy, in this thing. So a must be equal to 1. Okay.
X squared plus 2x plus 1 equals b.
Okay. So we need to have plus 1 here.
Yeah.
Then we just plus 1 here too.
What? Huh?
Like we want to force this to be the same as this one. But if we're doing something to the left hand side, we need also to do the same thing on the right hand side. Okay. But this guy is exactly x plus 1 squared, just like what we did, because we recognize that a must be equal to 1. This is exactly this one, where a is equal to 1.
Yes.
Okay.
Equals 6.
Then this y squared is equal to 6. Y is plus minus square root of 6.
X plus 1.
X plus 1 is equal to
y squared is 6. X equals 1 minus 1 plus minus 6.
Okay. But then we are getting smarter, right? Because if we want to do something like this and compare to that, okay, we always do 2 times that, which is 2ax, right? So basically the 2a must be equal to that number. So a must be 1. So then if we meet again with something like, for example, x squared plus, oh no,
Ruby Sasono.
okay, for example. And remember that we need the 2a to be equal to that guy.
So that's 2 then.
Okay. So we can rewrite this guy into this thing, but then just need to fix this so that it is remain as it was, like this. Okay. But when you expand this, you have what? X squared plus 4x plus 4. But this is 1.
Yeah, so
we need to compensate this with what?
Plus 3.
Plus 3 or
what?
Negative 3.
To turn the 1 into 4?
No. You already have 4 here in this thingy. 2 squared. Right? But originally it was 1.
Also it's minus 3 on this side. Okay.
So it's negative 3.
So we'll compensate on the other side.
And then you put on the other side.
Equals 3. And then turn to y again.
And this guy works for any kind of, even agree like this.
We got x quadrat plus x to no.
Okay. Just need to get rid of the 3 on everybody. So it's gonna be x squared
minus x plus 2 0.
Remember that we need to take half of this guy, which is
ugly hell. Okay, that works.
But when we expand this, we have x squared, right? And then 2 times that, which is this guy, and this guy is, so
the 2 of him.
Okay, maybe it is better just to, okay.
Let's keep going.
So, okay, then we have extra what? 11 squared over 6 squared, right? So we need to subtract again that guy. And still plus 2, right? You understand? Because when we expand this, there is an extra 11 over 6 squared, which was originally not in there. So we need to compensate with minusing this guy. But the 2 is,
so there.
we keep it.
And then you move both of them over. So you have, okay, that's...
So let's do it. X minus. Just compare it. Did you do that one?
I think I did, but I don't know where it is.
So
No, it's 2.
11 squared over 36 minus, if you want this to be 36, this is 72. Plus 2. 121 minus 72
is 119 minus 70. Yeah.
It's actually good.
Is it 49?
Yeah.
121 minus 72.
121 minus 72.
Okay, yeah.
So x minus 11 over 6 will be plus minus square root of that, but that's a good number. That's 7 and 6. So then x is, we have to answer when it is plus 18 over 6,
which is 3.
And this minus, it is
4
over 6, which is 2/3.
I think I did that one earlier. I don't know where it is though. Somewhere out there.
Oh, okay.
Why is it 2 and 4/3? 2, 3 and 2/3.
Oh, Nathaniel Christian. Yeah, just like that. This is not a multiple of 2, the coefficient. It's ugly. Very ugly. Ilman itu siapa? Ilman itu ini. Ilman.
I am behind the screen.
Okay, we need 7 minutes. Okay, just try. Just practice the one that we just did. This
Oh,
method.
that's it.
This method. The melengkapkan kuadrat. Itu namanya. Itu melengkapkan kuadrat.
Is there a simpler way to do it?
Huh? That's become the inspiration for the general solution for any ax squared bx plus c.
Yeah, there's a simpler way to do it because this is cannot be called simple exactly.
But it works every time.
Yeah.
Let's see, maybe take some. Let me ask. Buatkan soal pemfaktoran
alam dan audiensnya.
dengan melengkapi kuadrat.
Tony harimau.
Okay lah, so the mild one. Okay, go.
Huh? I don't even know what is doing.
So you want to make it into something like this, the first 2, right?
The first 2, so x from 4 and 6x. So you trying to make x squared and a 6x. I just put that over there in case. So I make these guys into something like that.
And you want to have something like this, okay? But when you do like this, the coefficient of x will be 2 times x times a, and we want that to be 6. So what the a should be then?
Okay, it's 2, right? So it's 3.
Go ahead.
So the a is 3.
So just do in advance x plus 3 squared.
Sure.
And do in your head that when you expand this, what do you get? X squared.
You got x squared
Plus 6x.
plus 6 plus 6x
Plus
plus
9. But this 5. So in order to keep it 5, you need to compensate with what? Yeah, like that.
Wow.
Just
Turn it
say,
over.
say it properly. Minus 4 there.
But yeah,
It's
jabarin aja lah.
Gak usah dijabarin.
Apa dong?
Ya udah, langsung this is minus 4.
This minus 4?
Minus 4. Yeah.
Oh, it's here. Sure.
Equal 0.
0? Okay.
Now you need to solve for x. Tadi you need to move it.
Yeah, so you got your
The parentheses not properly. The square is outside the parentheses.
The square? Oh, it is. I'm just gonna leave it like that because that is horrible.
Can you just think of this as one
y.
package? Doesn't need to give a name.
Yeah, whatever the hell it is.
X plus 3 is equal to plus minus square root of on the other side.
Which is just like 2 or negative 2, I guess.
Square root of 4 or just written 2. You need to choose one, not.
Sure. Either.
Just do it away, plus minus 2, the doesn't need square root.
Kan det be like minus 2?
Huh?
And then we're negative 2, correct? Or just plus minus 2?
Well, if this is negative 2, it is still right. Negative 2 squared is 4. If this 2, it is also right. So x plus 3 can be 2 or can be negative 2.
Okay, so it's plus minus 2.
Yeah, plus minus 2.
Fine, let's set that through.
So x is...
So x is just x equals. So you plus minus
negative 3.
Oh, yeah, okay. So x either equals negative 5 or 1. Huzzah!
This one always given the coefficient of x equal to, so it is nice to factor.
What?
This one, okay. This do exactly like it.
I just used the whole page.
It's okay.
I
don't like writing on the cram spot.
I don't like wasting paper though. And I
not wasting paper that.
I don't know.
What do we bend this?
Fine. Yeah, perfectly fine. Nothing happened. You wanted to do that? Oh. What do you have to do with you again?
Figure it out yourself.
My conch. That means the B is half of that? It's a bad number.
Yeah, it is not that bad. It's
1.5, I guess not. Negative 1.5 though, isn't it? It's negative 3.
I don't know, you decide. You can check it, like, if your thinking is correct, you can just
do it.
check it, multiply everything. Is it correct or not?
This is two idiots. I wish I open the paper like this. There, there's a line for your safety.
Sir Aka! Habis ngapain? Was 30 hours doing what?
What?
On the lab teh?
Itu science data.
Tes data. Oh.
Buat tugas yang it's worth 100% of the grade.
100%?
Ya. Makanya kita niat. What we did was sentiment analysis towards 3.8 million tweets.
So you asked the drone?
Apa? Ya, kita minta datanya ke drone yang they give us 9 million after dibersihin, and then what we could do within that limited time frame, we only could do 3.8.
So you use what? Python?
Yeah, we use Hugging Face. We sambungin Python ke Hugging Face. We made a model first, the auto train. We had a base model namanya Indobird. It's a bidirectional embedding thing. So it figures out, it's good at classifying words and figuring out context in Bahasa Indonesia as Indobird. Except we fine tune it by having our own labels. Jadi what we did, kan we have 5 debat capres. What we did first was make a frequency dari transkrip masing-masing debat untuk cari kata apa yang paling sering muncul, because our focus is we want to find the sentiments of certain kata kunci kebijakan, and then we use automatic stop word elimination bahwa now we have kelompok kata kunci, berdasarkan kelompok kata kunci itu biar nggak bias, we extract 1,500 tweets that have those kata kunci for those 5 groups. That is balanced the training. So we take those, and then we label them manually. Positive, neutral, and negative. 7,500 of them. That took a lot longer than we thought it would.
Manually?
Yes.
What?
Of course. to be consistent. Because
That's it.
we're human. It has to be. So the sarcasm or subtext, we have to consider that. We still label it sesuai dengan sarcasm.
Okay, then I have a tugas for the.
What?
No, I mean, I'm afraid that the tugas that I gave to mahasiswa TPB manually is too much, doing the 300 something. So that's okay then.
Well, we weren't asked to. We did ourselves.
Okay.
And then we had the model. We created hyperparameters, cari yang oke. Oh, we found ujungnya ada yang akurasi 75%. Training the model took 10 hours using that laptop. Dan laptop akak jadi lagi, so I service it, kasih desain. Ganti thermal paste dan bersihin kipas, kotor banget and stuff. And then now I can play Assassin's Creed 4 again. I used to not be able to.
I don't see you do that way, but okay. Assassin's Creed 4. What is Assassin's Creed 4?
Okay.
Some minus.
And then we did the data. We put it on the 3.8 million tweets. And then after that, we put that in using stack bar chart, the proportion of sentiments per word. Jokowi is banyaknya netral, but it's a lot more negative than positive. Jadi warganet is better not to mention Jokowi.
So it's better to with fraction than decimal is hard to akar-akar.
It is.
Let's put that 3 half.
3.2?
2/2.
It's still live.
Yes. You just spelled, I have no idea what. I don't know what kind of
Science data is fun.
So do you know if you need to extract data from Twitter by yourself, you can now?
Well, no, we got that from Jordan Embred, but I know how to manipulate it so that it's kalau udah ada. It was hard karena bentuknya JSON and it's not this consistent formatting. I had to put it all together first. The 1,967 JSON files, each of them have 5,000 tweets in them. I put them all into one CSV, and it's 9 million rows. But Excel can't handle it. So every time you manipulate it, you have to go run through a Python code that goes through it by chunks instead of by row. It took way too long. Well, sebenarnya we overkill sih. Ada kelompoknya, they just use some Kaggle dataset using several thousand stuff about machine learning. But we're like, I know, we want it to be good. Because it's 100% of the nilai. So we're like, okay, let's go. Terus pas presentasi, dosennya nggak ada pertanyaan.
Teramai. Nggak ada pertanyaan, no comment even.
But komen, maksudnya biarin ada mahasiswa nanya. Terus yang lain nanya. Oke, kalau gitu cukup dari saya, nggak ada pertanyaan. Nice.
So we're here.
So this one have extra 9/4, right? So maybe it's like. So you start with this one.
Yes. Yes.
You do this. Okay.
That's
Basically, you
enough.
only cover this one, but with some extra three half square. So just do subtract right away, and then like that. So something like that too.
Okay.
And you simplify this one. I think it don't see you like compensate.
Well, I was going to, but decimals are balls.
Maybe it's right. What is negative 9/4 plus negative
That's 4.
16/4 negative 25/4. Is it still? Oh yeah, that's right. This is right. See, but if you do like this one,
It's balls. It's horrible.
No, but if you do this one, you can see that the square root of this is what?
That would be 5 and 2.
Yeah, if you move this one.
So x minus b equals 5.
Yeah. So x minus plus minus
5 2. That means.
Oke, kita menamatkan sampai jam 11. We need to start earlier, but habis dari kampus, habis dari sekolah too tired, and then do gabut 17.
I've already been doing nothing since 9, bro. It's either 8 over 2 or just 2 over 2, which is 1. It's actually 1. Pause.
Soka kampus tuh.
Yeah, but later. Why? I want to go to SNBT first though.
Kamu mau nge-gym kan?
Hah? Udah tadi gitu jadi oke lah. I have things to do. I must clear my TA. I baru bimbingan. Bisa ini bisa.
Say bye-bye Ilman to the nobody.
Some of my friends have been watching. One of my friends has been watching.
Okay. Ilman will be an expert in 1 year.
Hey, the year's ending in 14 days. It should be good. Yes, I am this guy's child. Yes, someone asked.
Okay.
Emang itu anak bapak ya? Ya, apparently. Siapa sangka?
So, 9
Bapak gua.
everybody.